Good morning, friends. In this class, we will discuss full subtractor. Okay. So, in the full subtractor, we have three inputs A, B, and B in, borrow in, and this is the B out. We have two outputs D and borrow. So, the truth table of this full subtractor: input, output, input A, B, and B in. We have three inputs. According to three inputs, we will have 8 combinations. Okay, 8 combinations. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So we have 8 combinations. Okay. First you subtract B from A. 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 again 0. So difference is 0, both is 0. 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 1 1 with 1 both. 0 minus 1 1 with 1 both. 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 with borrow 1, and 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1 with borrow 0. 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0 and borrow 0. 1 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1 1 with borrow 1. Okay, so you can see, you can check this truth table. According to this truth table, you can find out the logical expression. Okay, for D, A bar, B bar, B in, A bar, B bar, B in, A bar, B, B in bar, A bar, B, B in bar, plus A, B bar, B in bar, A, B bar, B in bar, and A, B, B in, A, B, B in. Okay. Similarly, borrow A bar, B bar, B in, A bar, B bar, B in, and A bar, B, B in bar, A bar, B, B in bar, plus A bar, B, B in, A bar, B, B in, and A, B, B in. So you can you have this, and again you can solve using the Boolean algebra. So first of all we will solve D. So now take B in common. A bar, B bar, plus AB, and we will take common B bar, A bar B, plus A B bar. So this is nothing but this is A XOR B. Okay. This is A XOR B plus B in bar. This is A XOR B. I can write here this is nothing but, for two input variable, A XOR B will be equal to the complement of A XOR B. Okay, this is A XOR B and B in bar. So this is the logical expression for D. Similarly, for borrow, you can find out for the borrow. you can take a bar b, a bar b, a bar b, you will get b in plus b in bar. After that you can take common b in a b bar, a bar b plus a b. Okay, so b in plus b in bar is nothing but 1, so a bar b plus a b plus a b, a bar b bar b. Okay, so this is the logical expression for, and this is nothing but a XOR b, and I can write here for two input variable this will be equal to complement of a XOR b. Okay, so this is the final logical expression. You can implement this using AND OR inverter. So first of all you will implement this a XOR b. So a XOR b, a XOR b, you know very well. This is a, this is b. Here you are getting a XOR b. Okay, a XOR b, and second b input we are taking here AND. So this is AND input, and this input is b in. So this is the this term. Okay, a XOR b, b in bar, and also a XOR b bar. So this is a XOR b, a XOR b, this is a XOR b bar, and multiply with bn. This is bn. Here a XOR b bar, into bn. Okay, and now we will sum this and this, and we will get here d. Okay, and now a XOR b bar, a XOR b bar dot b in this. Again we will add with a bar b. So a bar b, this is AND gate. Here this is a bar, this is b. So this is a bar b, and the sum of this here you are getting borrow. So this is the implementation using AND OR inverter gates, basic gates. Okay, full subtractor. I think no doubt अब आप ये समझ गए हैं कि किस तरीके से बेसिक गेट्स को, यूनिवर्सल गेट को लेकर के हमें इंप्लीमेंट करना होता है. तो इस लेक्चर में आपने ये सबट्रैक्टर भी सीख लिया, फुल सबट्रैक्टर भी सीख लिया. ठीक है, और अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं, लिख के दे सकते हैं कोई डाउट है तो. ठीक है ना, ये आपका जो डी है, ये जैसे डी है, ये इनका सम है, तो इसका सम है. तो जो बी है वो इसका सम है. ठीक, इसका सम है, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा टॉपिक कवर हो चुका है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग बात करेंगे मल्टीप्लेक्सर की, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लेक्सर की बात करेंगे। सो इस वीडियो लेक्चर में इतना ही है, और एक लाइक बनता है वो आप कर दिया करें, उसके लिए हमें कहने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस मल्टीप्लेक्सर। ओके, इस वीडियो में इतना ही है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।